Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Firds R. For today's video, we will be talking about characterizing and describing the roots of quadratic equations. Let us have first describing the roots of quadratic equations. The expression b squared minus 4ac is the quadratic equation's discriminant. The discriminant determines the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. So, if b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. And if b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are not real. So let us have an example. Let us take example number 1. Describe the roots of x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. So the first thing that we must do is to know the values of a, b, and c. So in the given equation, our a is 1. So that is the numerical coefficient of x squared. And our b is negative 4. And that is the numerical coefficient of x. And our c, the constant, is 4. So all we have to do is to substitute the values in the expression b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. So we have b squared minus 4ac is equal to negative 4, which is the value of b, quantity squared, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is positive 4. So we have negative 4 quantity squared is equal to negative 4 times negative 4, that is 16, minus 4 times 1 is 4, times 4, so we have 16. So that is why 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So the value of our discriminant here is 0. Since the discriminant is equal to 0, then the roots are real numbers and equal. So let us have now example number 2. Describe the roots of x squared minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. So the value of a is 1, b is equal to negative 7, and c is equal to positive 10. Substitute the value in the expression b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. So we're going to plug in the values. So we have b squared minus 4ac is equal to negative 7 quantity squared minus 4 times 1 times 10. So we have negative 7 quantity squared is negative 7 times negative 7. So we have 49. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 times 10 is equal to negative 40. So that is why 49 minus 40 is equal to 9. So since the discriminant is greater than 0, then the roots are real numbers and unequal. So this time, let us now go to example number 3. Describe the roots of x squared plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So the value of a is 1, b is 2, and c is 5. So we have to substitute the values in the expression b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. So we have b squared minus 4ac is equal to 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 5. So we have 4 minus 20 because 4 times 1 is 4 times 5 and that is 20. 4 minus 20, so we have negative 16. So since the discriminant is less than 0, then the roots are not real. All you have to do, guys, is to remember our 3 conditions. So we have, if b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. And lastly, if b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are not real. So thank you, and I hope you learned something new for today's session. God bless.